Hey guys, I'm pretty enough. Look, you see me, I'm just a kid, I'm so little. I'm big now, and I'm 6 years old. I look at 9 years old. People say that you're at 9 years old, you're 18 years old, everything. What's your oldest? But my set is 6 because my real age is 6. But every guys, I'm big. I'm 6. But I look 9. So people say that me I'm 9 years old. But they don't know I'm 6 years old. Shoot. So I try enough to say that I'm 6. Because that's I'm a stranger. So I don't talk to stranger. I don't talk to stranger guys. But they know